In this video, we will show you how to book a UK driving theory test. Start by providing your full name as it appears on your photos card and your driving license number. After entering your date of birth, log into the service. Next, choose the type of the theory test you want to take, car or motorcycle. Both tests cost £23 if you already passed the theory test and just want to charge your vehicle type, e.g. from manual to automatic or upgrade from a small to medium motorcycle, you don't need to retake it. You'll then select the language for the test, either English or Welsh. If you need additional support, e.g. extra time or assistance with hearing difficulties, make sure to mention this on the form as it may affect waiting times. Enter your postcode to find nearby test centers. The system will show the 5 closest locations. You can select up to 3 centers to compare their availability and choose the one with the earliest available date. After selecting a test center, you'll see a calendar for this and the following month. The available dates will be highlighted, while fully booked slots will be grayed out. Once you choose a date, you'll see the available times morning or afternoon. The typical theory test lasts about 60 minutes. Once you've chosen your date and time, review the details and confirm your booking. Finally, make your payment. If you're in Northern Ireland, you'll need to use a different website to book the test, but the cost remains the same. So that's how to book UK driving theory test. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.